Hi everybody, Matthias here, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to get free Spotify Premium on iPhone, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what we are going to do first is to go into Google, and now when you're on Google, then you need to search for free Spotify Premium. So search for free Spotify Premium, and as you can see, you are now taken to this page right here. I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'm actually going to select here where it says Spotify Premium, get 3 months free. So we need to click right here basically. As you can see, you're now actually able to get like 3 months of Spotify completely for free, and that is like an offer that actually like Spotify are basically promoting themselves. So it's not like a random hack or something. It's actually an offer that Spotify has themselves. So I'm going to click where it says get 3 months free, and it's just going to load here perfectly. As you can see, you will now be able to actually like either sign in for a new account on Spotify or like continue with your account that you have right now. And also, just so you know, this offer is actually only available to those that have not yet tried Spotify Premium before, just so you know. So if you have not tried Spotify Premium before, then you are actually able to get 3 months free Spotify Premium as of right now. So basically, you just need to either log into an existing account or click where it says sign up for Spotify to create a new account basically. So when you have created an account and or signed up for like your like existent account on Spotify, then you will see like it says that you can claim 3 months free on Spotify. And the reason that there are like that they want you to claim this 3 months free Spotify Premium is because they will actually want you to enter your credit card or PayPal. So if you do so, they actually want to be able to, of course, charge you after 3 months has ended. But if you do cancel your Spotify Premium before the 3 months has ended, then you will not have to pay anything, just so you know. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.